God will restore you. Christian Daily Devotion. Scripture reference, Psalm 107, from 4 to 7. They wandered in the wilderness in a desolate way. They found no city to dwell in. Hungry and thirsty, their soul fainted in them. Then they cried out to the Lord in their trouble, and He delivered them out of their distresses. And He led them forth by the right way, that they might go to a city for a dwelling place. Have you ever walked through a desert or been in a desolate area? If you've spent much time there, then you know how it feels to begin to grow weary or thirsty in an empty, overwhelming land. The people of Israel often found themselves in the desert. They found themselves within seasons of desolation and abandonment. Over many years of being in the desert, they became exhausted and tired. In the midst of one of those seasons, God began to speak promises to them through the prophets. God spoke prophecies about the future. He promised them that He would refresh them and satisfy them in the midst of dry and difficult seasons. While we may not be Israelites walking through the wilderness, we still follow and walk with the same God who walked with them. And if we're being honest, our spiritual lives can sometimes feel like walking through a dry desert. Some seasons of life are exhausting and difficult to persevere through. But in the midst of those seasons, God continues to refresh and satisfy His people. He continues to uphold us when we are tired. He does these things for us because His character never changes. He is the same God who continually refreshes His people. So if you currently feel tired and exhausted, take a moment today to sit with God in prayer. Tell Him exactly how you feel and what is going on in your life. Ask Him to refresh your soul and satisfy you if you feel weary and weak. Allow Him to refresh you and give you rest, and continue to build a habit of talking with God each and every day.